Happy Thursday and welcome back to Not to Hear. Today we are going to be attempting our soft whole wheat bread recipe. Once again, I am determined to make this recipe and make it right. We'll be using the same ingredients as we did in part 1, same yeast, same maple syrup as a substitute for our honey, and the same butter substitute. I also used the same type of whole wheat flour that I used in part 1, and this is when I realized that in part 1 I accidentally doubled the amount of flour. Luckily, I realized my mistake and was able to prevent it from happening again this time. So I added the correct amount of flour for this recipe, but only after the fact did I realize I forgot to add salt. But with adding the correct amount of flour, I was able to mix the mixture easily. I was able to knead the dough without a hitch. It makes sense because you don't have as much flour to make it tougher to knead, so 100% recommend adding the right amount of flour. Now that all the hard work is out of the way, all you have to do is cover up your dough and let it rise for about 45 minutes, and you do this twice. So once is in this bowl and then you put it into your pan that you want to use, punch it down, cover it up again, let it rise. From there you are ready to bake, and this is how it came out for me. I think it came out better, softer than the first attempt. Unfortunately, because I forgot the salt, it didn't taste quite as good. But we're learning, and from our mistakes, we learn and we rectify them and make even better stuff in the future. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe for more.